So now we have used this IP to get connection from our company database, but using an IP can cause some trouble because when we restart our servers, we are not sure like what IP we are going to get. So I told you earlier, so what the Docker is going to do is it is actually going to get some kind of address from this subnet, right? So the IP address can be anything uh, in this subnet. So it has probably a range of 2 to the power 16 minus 2. So that's a lot. So it's difficult to rely on IP address. So let's just see if we can replicate the issue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to restart the Docker. Okay, I hope it has restarted. And now let's inspect the network again. No, I could not replicate that. So it is still 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to Docker container stop company database. I'm going to stop it first. Let me put this minus D here. Okay, now let me inspect the network again. Okay, so the IP address that was earlier assigned to company database is now assigned to a different container, right? So that's gone. So now let me start the this one, Docker company database, Docker. Okay, now let me inspect the network. And now we see it has been assigned with a different IP address, right? So now if I try to access the customer service, it should fail, right? So let's just confirm that the MySQL server is up and running. So let's see, container logs company database. Okay, so this MySQL server is up and running, so it is ready for connection at port 3306. So now we'll have to go to our URL, customer service URL, and let's hit it again. So we are again able to get hello world. Let's see the logs now of the customer service container. And of course this time we could not get the connections. So this is a problem, right? So it's not ideal to work with IP address in this setup. So we need some kind of mapping of IP address, and that is what we will use now by using a property of Docker. Okay, so what we are going to do is, so let's just stop the customer service container, customer service. Now we'll start it. Minus name is customer service, minus p will be, and the one property that I want to use now is called the link property. Okay, so this is the argument that I want to assign through link is company database db. So what I'm trying to say is, so create a mapping for this company database and set it as DB in my container. I'll show you in detail. So now we'll have this port of 65,000 8080, and our image name was customer service. Okay, so now what happened is, if we go to, so we see here there is a mapping created here. So this is like the DNS name that is created for the company database container. In this, we are going to use this hostname, and we have to build it. We'll have to build the image, and now we'll run the container and link company database with the name of DB here. Okay, let's see when the service comes up. Docker container logs customer service. Okay, so the server started, and now we go back now to our browser. We got the hello world. Now see the logs. Yeah, so this time we again got the connection with a link actually. So this is better because now we can independently restart company database without worrying about what will happen to our customer service. So that's it for this. Thank you.